Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for sophisticated outdoor enhancements. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're focusing on one of the most versatile and enjoyable areas of your home, the patio. But we're not just talking about furniture. We're diving deep into garden landscapes for your patio, how to surround it with nature's beauty to create a truly enchanting outdoor retreat. So what exactly do we mean by garden landscape for patio? It's more than just placing a few potted plants. It's about intentionally designing the greenery, hardscaping, and decorative elements around and on your patio to create a cohesive and inviting outdoor room. This involves thoughtful plant selection, from lush shrubs and vibrant flowers to towering trees or climbing vines, integrated with elements like pathways, retaining walls, water features, and outdoor lighting. The goal is to blur the lines between your paved patio area and the surrounding natural environment, making your outdoor living space feel like a seamless extension of your home and garden, a true oasis for relaxation and entertainment. The benefits of creating a beautiful garden landscape for your patio are numerous and truly impactful. Firstly, it significantly enhances the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space, turning a simple slab into a vibrant, living area. Plants provide natural beauty, color, and texture, making the patio feel more inviting and comfortable. Secondly, a well-designed garden landscape offers privacy and seclusion, creating a more intimate setting for you and your guests. Strategic planting can act as a natural screen against neighbors or unsightly views. Thirdly, plants contribute to a cooler environment by providing shade and releasing moisture, making your patio more comfortable on hot days. They also improve air quality and can attract beneficial wildlife like birds and butterflies. Lastly, a beautiful patio garden adds significant value to your home, making it more appealing and functional for potential buyers. Decorating your garden landscape for your patio to look absolutely beautiful involves a holistic approach, blending plants with hardscape and decor. Start by defining zones: a seating area, a dining space, and perhaps a quiet reading nook. Use varying heights with your plant's tall potted trees, mid-sized shrubs, and low-lying ground covers to create visual interest and depth. Incorporate ambient lighting, such as string lights, solar-powered path lights, or lanterns, to create a magical atmosphere after sunset. Choose furniture that complements your desired style, whether it's rustic, modern, or bohemian, and add comfortable cushions and throw pillows in outdoor-friendly fabrics. Don't forget decorative elements like outdoor rugs to ground your seating area, garden sculptures, bird baths, or small water features for soothing sounds. Finally, add personal touches like colorful pots, wind chimes, or outdoor artwork to truly make the space your own. Now let's journey through some truly inspiring garden landscape designs that elevate patios into personal havens. Here are our top 10 best ideas. One serene modern pathway with wood and stone elements. This design features a sophisticated modern pathway, combining large light-colored rectangular pavers with parallel strips of dark river stones, creating a clean and defined walking area. The pathway leads to a striking contemporary house entrance, clad in warm horizontal wooden siding, which beautifully contrasts with dark gray wall panels. Lush, sculptural plantings like spiky evergreens and low-lying ground cover in shades of green and dark purple flank the path. Large, natural boulders are strategically placed amidst the gravel and plants, adding organic texture and depth, making the entire entrance feel both welcoming and meticulously designed. 2. Colorful cottage garden patio with pergola and stone pathway. This charming patio space is embraced by a vibrant, overflowing cottage garden, featuring a rich tapestry of colorful flowers in hues of red, pink, purple, and white. A classic white picket fence serves as a quaint border, leading to a wooden pergola adorned with climbing plants, creating a picturesque focal point. The patio itself is a textured stone pathway, winding through the exuberant blooms and dense greenery. This design emphasizes lush, natural growth and a romantic, somewhat wild aesthetic, making the outdoor area feel like a secret garden retreat. 3. Sleek contemporary patio with integrated fireplace and lush borders. This modern patio area features a sophisticated dark-colored outdoor fireplace integrated into a minimalist wall, providing a chic focal point and warmth. The patio is constructed with light-colored wooden decking, creating a clean and inviting surface. Plush, light-toned outdoor chairs with matching cushions surround a simple wooden coffee table, offering a comfortable seating arrangement. The perimeter of the patio is beautifully landscaped with a mix of lush green grass, low-lying shrubs, and vibrant white hydrangeas, softened by delicate lighting fixtures that illuminate the space, blending contemporary design with natural beauty. 4. Vibrant rose garden leading to a quaint country home. This idyllic scene showcases a sprawling, meticulously maintained garden dominated by a profusion of delicate pink roses in full bloom, creating a soft, romantic foreground. Beyond the roses, a lush green lawn leads to a charming traditional country house with a gabled roof and numerous windows, hinting at a cozy interior. The garden design incorporates various flowering shrubs and perennials in complementary shades of purple and green, creating layers of texture and color. The overall impression is one of quintessential English garden beauty, offering a serene and picturesque approach to the home. 5. Zen-inspired garden pathway with succulents and stone steps. This garden pathway exudes a tranquil, zen-like atmosphere, featuring large, smooth, light-colored pavers interspersed with strips of vibrant green grass, creating a visually appealing and walkable surface. The path is bordered by meticulously arranged white gravel beds, punctuated by sculptural succulents and agave plants that add a modern, architectural touch. A wooden bench is strategically placed alongside a raised planter filled with various spiky plants and small stones. Further along, dark, sleek steps lead up to another section of the landscape, hinting at multi-level design. The presence of large, earthy pots and lush, tropical-looking greenery in the background enhances the serene and sophisticated ambience. 6. Tiered patio with geometric steps and lush greenery. This dynamic outdoor space features a multi-tiered patio design with clean, geometric steps made of light-colored concrete, contrasting with horizontal wooden fence panels and verdant green lawn sections. A prominent, mature tree anchors the upper level, offering natural shade. The landscaping is composed of various textures, including a climbing vine on a white wall, low-lying shrubs, and a bed of succulents and gravel. Comfortable outdoor furniture in neutral tones, including a bench and individual chairs, is arranged on the lower patio, inviting relaxation, while a sail shade provides additional sun protection. This design balances structured hardscaping with soft, natural elements. 7. Lush tropical patio with tiled fireplace and outdoor kitchen. This inviting outdoor patio is a tropical paradise, featuring a striking modern fireplace built into a light-colored tiled wall, with a sleek linear firebox providing warmth and ambience. Adjacent to the fireplace is a compact yet functional outdoor kitchen with a grill, perfect for al fresco dining. The patio floor is laid with warm-toned brick pavers, leading seamlessly into an expansive green lawn surrounded by dense, lush tropical foliage, including large palm fronds and mature trees. Comfortable modern seating with vibrant blue and white patterned cushions creates a relaxed and luxurious environment, ideal for entertaining or quiet evenings. 8. Traditional English garden with stone path and central lawn. This quintessential English garden showcases a charming winding stone pathway made of irregular flagstones, leading through a meticulously manicured lawn. The garden beds are overflowing with a variety of vibrant flowers in shades of purple, pink, and white, alongside lush green shrubs and trees, creating a dense and colorful border. A small rustic wooden shed is visible in the background, adding to the garden's quaint charm. The overall design emphasizes natural beauty, abundant flowering plants, and meandering pathways, creating a serene and picturesque landscape that invites leisurely strolls. 9. Modern fire pit area with stepping stones and diverse planting. This contemporary outdoor space features a circular concrete fire pit as its inviting centerpiece, surrounded by dark gravel that contrasts beautifully with large, square concrete stepping stones. The fire pit is encircled by comfortable wooden frame chairs with white cushions, creating a cozy gathering spot. The landscaping is a rich mix of textures and colors, including lush green shrubs, purple flowering plants, and delicate white blossoms, all integrated with decorative rocks. A tall, mature tree provides natural shade, while a dark wooden fence offers privacy, creating a stylish and intimate outdoor haven. 10. Spacious backyard with fire pit and modern garden shed. This expansive backyard features a central fire pit area with a rustic stone ring, surrounded by black Adirondack chairs on a light-colored gravel base, creating a perfect spot for evening gatherings. The garden is lush with a variety of plants, including large white hydrangeas, ornamental grasses, and smaller flowering shrubs, which create a soft and inviting border around the gravel. In the background, a sleek, modern garden shed with large glass doors hints at additional functional space. A dark metal fence provides a clean boundary, and mature trees offer a natural canopy, defining a serene and well-designed outdoor living environment. As you can see, creating a beautiful garden landscape for your patio is about more than just adding plants. It's about crafting an immersive outdoor experience. Whether you prefer a minimalist modern look or a lush, overflowing oasis, thoughtfully integrating greenery and decor can transform your patio into the ultimate extension of your living space. If you found these outdoor garden landscaping for patio ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and beautiful garden inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'd love to hear about your small garden adventures in the comments below. What are you growing? What are your favorite space-saving tips? Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.